Requires skilled soldering. Desoldering tools are required to complete the assembly. Please confirm before buying. Instruction is not included. Please replace this part under professional guide. If not, no TRY replacement. Analog joystick for Xbox One. Repair worn, out of control, not sensitive. Analog joystick. Compatibility Xbox One wired controller / wireless controller. Conductive rubber is not suitable for Xbox One Slim controller. The D-pad replacement is just a spare, it only needs to be replaced when there is a problem with your controller's conductive adhesive. More importantly, the replacement of this accessory requires skilled operation and disassembly capabilities. Novices do not recommend disassembly to avoid damage to the controller. Good quality, made of premium impact-resistant ABS material, not easy aging and very durable. Precision design, perfectly fit for your controller. Package includes 4x 3D analog joystick plus 2x conductive rubber, only for Xbox One, plus 4x thumbsticks cap, 2 rainbow silicone caps extra, plus 1x Torx T8 screwdriver, 7 PCS screws, plus 1x Torx T6 screwdrivers, 12 PCS screws, plus 1x pry opening repair tool in the description. To get this product today at the best price. Requires skilled soldering. Desoldering tools are required to complete the assembly. Please confirm before buying. Instruction is not included. Plays